everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a desaturated double outline photo effect in Canva. It's super easy and will look really cool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Canva and then create new designs and then just import your photo. And then after that, just remove the background. Like this, and then after that just go to edit and then just go to on adjust, go to the saturations and then just adjust the saturations all the way down to make it fully desaturated like this. And then next just go to apps and then search for the image outliner, this one, this app, just click on it and then click open like this. And then next just adjust the color of the layer 1. For example, I will choose this one and then adjust the styles that you like. For example, dot, strip, grid, but in here I will just make it solid like this and then adjust the weight. For example, like this. You can also adjust the opacity and blur over here. For example, like this. And then to create a double outline effect, just tap on add layer and then adjust the color, the second color that you like. For example like this, and then adjust the weight, opacity and blur as you like. And when you're satisfied with the result with the designs, just click on add to designs like this. Okay, like this you can see the difference. A clean, modern, desaturated double outline effect is ready. It's perfect for maybe poster, thumbnails, or maybe social media designs. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!